Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arya Yudha with ID number A1212201. So in this video, I will make assignment that given by me Nirwana. It's about semantic assignment. There is a 6 question that I want to be answered. So I have prepared my answer. The first number 1 answer is I will give the example sentence of soundless, silence, and noiseless as the synonyms. So the first is the forest was soundless after the snowfall, and then the library remained silent as the professor entered. The car moved noisily down the street. So if something is soundless, it is also silent and noiseless. And if something is silence, it is also soundless and noiseless. If something is noiseless, it is also soundless and silence. Since they mutually entail each other, these words are synonyms. And the second question is, are awake and asleep are complementaries? Yes, because there are, because if someone is asleep, they cannot be awake, and vice versa. However, words like half awake, half asleep, and dozy describe intermediate states, making this opposite more gradual rather than strictly binary. And explain two meanings of quiet. So quiet could be downtowner or moderate degree. For example, quite friendly means is moderately friendly, and then it could be maximizer or to the fullest extent. For example, quite exceptional or completely exceptional. The difference is quiet as a downtowner occurs with gradable adjective which can vary in degree, and friendly. Quiet as a maximizer occurs with non-gradable or adjectives, absolute qualities, e.g. exceptional. And number 4, rugged thesaurus versus synonym dictionary. Rugged thesaurus groups words by meaning in conceptual categories. Synonym dictionary lists synonym alphabetically, often with usage different. For example, thesaurus groups happy, joyful, cheerful under one category. Synonym dictionary lists happy with synonym like cheerful, content, please. Number 5, bias versus unbiased. How X is Y. Bias. How old is she? Assume she is old. How miserable was the trip? It means that assume the trip was bad. And then another example, how unpalatable was the meal? It means assume the meal was not tasty. And unbiased. The example is unbiased. How young is he? How pleasant was the trip? And also you can say how tasty was the meal? How strong is the argument? And if both adjectives in a pair are biased, the question leads the respondent toward a specific answer. And the last question, and number 6, is intersective versus non-intersective modification. Intersective meaning remains clean from both words. And royal visitor, a visitor who is also royal. This is the example. And non-intersective meaning change. Royal correspondent, a journalist covering royalty, not necessarily royal. Heavy eater, it means someone who eats a lot, not necessarily physically heavy. Another example, wiseful, it means that a contradiction, not a person who is both wise and foolish at the same times. So I think that's all from me. I really sorry if there any mistaking during my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.